I've got 5 insanely flavored bomb summer salads that are fresh, fast, and you can make them today. The first one, watermelon avocado with fresh mint and crumbled feta. Scoop 10 to 12 ounces of bite-sized watermelon balls into a bowl. Next, add 1 to 2 ripe but firm diced avocados and about quarter cup of fresh mint leaves. For dressing, for a quick dressing, it's just 1 tablespoon of virgin olive oil and 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice and some salt and pepper. Give it a quick whisk, pour it over the salad and give it a gentle toss. Now sprinkle with some crumbled feta cheese for that perfect sweet and savory finish. Transfer it to a bowl. Add more fresh mint leaves and crumbled feta cheese if desired, and enjoy. The second one is spinach, kiwi, and orange salad with feta and balsamic glaze. Start with 4 to 6 cups of spinach. Now arrange slices of 2 kiwis, and pieces of 4 to 5 orange segments. For a simple dressing, it's just 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, and a touch of honey. Pour it over the salad. Then sprinkle with quarter cup of crumbled feta and quarter cup of walnuts or slivered almonds. And for that final touch, a slow drizzle of balsamic glaze. And enjoy. Our third one, black bean, mango, and avocado. Okay, time for some tropical vibes. Start with 1 15-ounce can of rinsed black beans. Then add 1 large diced mango and 1 ripe but firm diced avocado. Next, toss in half a julienne bell pepper of any color, quarter cup of thinly sliced red onion, and about a quarter cup of fresh chopped cilantro. For the zesty dressing, you need 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and a quarter teaspoon of chili powder. Whisk, and then a few drops of honey. Put it over the salad. Toss gently, and then some salt and pepper. Toss gently again. Transfer to a bowl and enjoy. The fourth one, chickpea and grapes with fresh herbs. We need 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, rinsed and drained, put into a bowl. Then add 1.5 cups of red grapes, halved, followed by half a julienne bell pepper of any color. Then a quarter cup of thinly sliced red onion. And finally some chopped parsley and fresh dill. For the dressing, 1 tablespoon of olive oil and juice of 1 lemon. Whisk it all together, then season with salt and pepper. And then pour it over the salad. Toss gently and transfer to a bowl and enjoy. And last but not least, grilled peach with spinach and pomegranate. For this salad, we'll need 1 or 2 peach wedges sliced about ½ inch thick to grill. For convenience, as you can see, I'm using a non-stick grill pan using no oil at all. Grill each side for 2 to 3 minutes on medium-high heat or until you see nice grill marks. The key here is to avoid overcooking them. You want them tender but not mushy. Now into a bowl goes your fresh 4 to 6 cups of baby spinach. Add those nicely grilled peach slices and sprinkle of 1/4 cup of crumbled feta and some crunchy walnuts or toasted pecans and about 1/4 cup of pomegranate seeds. For our dressing, it's 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a touch of honey, whisk it up and drizzle over the salad. And for that final touch, a slow drizzle of balsamic glaze. And enjoy. These salads are totally customizable. Use more of what you love, swap in what you have. Spinach, arugula, mixed greens, or kale, or even lettuce all works great. Go for fat-free or low-fat feta cheese or try vegan-friendly cheeses and sweeteners. Add your favorite protein, chicken, shrimp, fish, or tofu, and use any dressing you like. You can even grab your favorite store-bought or pre-made dressings to keep it super simple. Just pay attention to the salt and sugar amounts. The possibilities are endless, or the sky's the limit. Let me know which one's your favorite in the comments below. If you like this video, share the love and hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Be sure to check out my other videos also. In the next one, we're making some healthy plant-based Mediterranean bowls, followed by a few fun surprises. So I can't wait to see you again. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.